Hey y'all, hey, it's Amia Renee. Today I'm going to show y'all how I make my DIY avocado hair mask. And this mask is really great for hair growth, hydration. So keep watching if you want to see how to make it.
Coffee at the right time, baby. Oh, I was at the end. I was at the end. Make me feel like I did back when I'm dreaming. Let me feel alive again. Tell me I'm a sign, baby. Where would I be? Don't you love got me on? Baby, where would I be? Where would we go? Oh, 'cause it feels like see me all. 'Cause it feels like see me all.
So first I tried to blend the avocado by itself without any of the oils. And it didn't work too much. This avocado wasn't as ripe as you could tell. It was kind of hard. Now I'm putting the avocado back in a bowl and I'm going to add all my oils to the avocado. As you can see, the mixture is really lumpy, so I'm going to put it back inside my Vitamix and mix it again. So from trial and error, don't do what I do. Just put everything in a Vitamix one time and you'll be done. So don't go back and forth, taking it out, putting it back in. Just put all your oils in and then put it in the Vitamix. I also add a little water to the mixture because, like I said, my avocado wasn't ripe, so it was still really lumpy. Sorry about my camera not being in focus. It will change eventually. But I'm starting on old dirty hair. I'm just going to section my hair, get a spray bottle with just plain water to help detangle my hair, and then I'm going to go ahead and put my avocado mask in my hair. Avocado is great for the hair because it's a good source of biotin. It also has minerals and potassium, magnesium. Also, it helps to prevent breakage and has your hair looking smooth and shiny.
Are we living in a dream world? Are your eyes still green, girl? I know you're sick and tired of arguing, but you can't keep it bottled in. Jealousy, we gotta swallow it. Your heart and mind, baby, follow it. Smile, happiness, you can model it. And when you feel opposite, I just want you to know your whole being is beautiful. I'ma do the best I can do, 'cause I'm my best when I'm with you.
So I'm back with all the masks, distributing my hair evenly, and I'm going to show you guys how much hair came out during the detangling process. Wasn't a lot. It might look like it, but it's not a lot. So now I'm going to put my hair up, put a plastic cap on, and go ahead and put my heating cap on top. I'm going to keep it in for at least 20 to 30 minutes.
Has been sort of hard on you, but
So this is my hair the next day after I rinsed the avocado mask out. My hair is nice, soft, hydrated. I just feel really, really good. I feel like soft marshmallows. I don't know how else to describe it.
protect and provide for you. Truth is, I can't hide from you. The pimp in me may have to die with you.
If you want to see how I got this sleek ponytail, go ahead and watch this video. And I'll talk to you later. Thank you for watching as always. I'll see you next time. Bye.